how the MarkComplete AutoComplete shortcode plugin on learningtemplates.com is able to interact with LearnDash in very complex course hierarchies. So here I've got just a very, very bare bones course. However, it's got 6 lessons, and within those lessons I do have topics and I do have quizzes. So let's go ahead and let's start off with lesson 1. Lesson 1, if I mark this complete, I am not marking the quiz complete, and you're about to see that. All I'm doing is whatever content resides in lesson 1, I am marking the content as complete. Therefore, the lesson itself is not complete. So if I go into here and I start quiz 1 and I answer that, then I would mark the whole lesson complete. But since I haven't completed the quiz, let's just revisit the course outline again to show that I have marked the lesson content complete, but because I didn't complete the quiz, the lesson is not complete. So we go back in, we can mark the lesson content complete, we can now answer the question and get 100%, of course, and then we move on to lesson 1A. So if I go back to the course outline, we're now looking at lesson 1 being completed, and if I jump into lesson 1, it's going to say that this lesson is complete, jump to the next lesson. So 1A, I marked the content of the lesson complete, and because that lesson had no predecessors, it was actually a file upload lesson. Number 1, the file upload portion of LearnDash is gone, and it's identified as the lesson being complete. So the person cannot upload a file after they've completed the lesson. So now I have 2 topics in lesson 2, so I'll mark the lesson content complete, and it'll jump into topic 1. I'll mark topic 1 complete, it jumps to topic 2, mark topic 2 complete, and now I can mark the whole lesson complete. So if I were to revisit that, you would see that lesson 2 is complete. But let's just do it this way, and we'll see that because the whole lesson and the topics are complete, it says the lesson is complete, and we jump to the next lesson. Here I would typically have a photo gallery related to the uploads. That's another one of my plugins, but I'm not exercising that here. This is for MarkComplete only. There are no dependencies to lesson 2A, so as soon as I mark the content of the lesson complete, it jumps to lesson 3. If I go back to lesson 2A, it says it's completed, and we jump to the next lesson. Here I have 2 topics and a quiz. So let me mark complete the content of this lesson, which is basically saying I read that. And it jumps to topic 3. I mark that topic complete. I mark topic 4 complete, and it jumps back to the lesson, indicating that they've been completed. However, quiz 2 is not completed. So let's go ahead and let's click mark complete on the content, and it jumps to quiz 2. I mark quiz 2 complete by answering the question and continue, and it'll go to lesson 4. So if we revisit lesson 3, we'll see the quiz is now complete, and because of that, we have this lesson is complete. Jump to the next lesson. Lesson 4 is a simple lesson, and it is the last one, so we mark it complete. And that completes the whole course.